Previously on Bumbling Tourist.
Mingalaba.
We're in Myanmar.
Let's adventure.
Kuthodaw Pagoda is the world's largest book. It may not look like a book, but 3 sacred Buddhist texts are inscribed on 729 slabs of marble, each housed in an inscription cave.
This pagoda was built by King Milton in 1859 AD. Its height is 187 feet and 9 inches.
The inscribing on the 729 marble slabs of the Buddhist canon was started in 1860 and completed in 1868.
The contents of the 790 monoliths of the marble stone slabs are as follows. You can just read that on the screen. Not even quite sure where to start.
Yeah. Usually I wait for the soft cover to come out.
This is like the definition of a hardcover book.
Yeah, very hard.
This is like Flintstones hardcover book. Do you want to tell the camera where we are?
We're at a giant book.
It's the record holder, is it not?
I believe so. I think it plays fast and loose with the definition of the word book, because each page is a giant marble slab encased in a little decorative, little isn't even the word, a big decorative house with a page in each little thing. Maybe overdub some correct terms in there. That wouldn't be bubbly though.
You know what? You could be the next David Attenborough.
Yeah.
So, inside each one of these little stupas is a page of a book. Yeah, stone page. So a Flintstones type page. But there are thousands. Just wander around here. So, spoiler alert, I don't think this is the beginning of the story. I got the story halfway through. Are you reading all these pages as we go by?
Yeah, just skimming.
You're a pretty quick reader.
Yeah, where I should summarize, I think it says, be excellent to one another.
Yeah, that is really what you should be doing in life.
And party on, dudes.
No.
If you're in the mood for a light read, bring your walking shoes. And then leave them at the door, because shoes aren't allowed. Bring your walking feet. Your Christopher walking feet. video so far?
Bet you it's a lot of this.
Probably.
It's a dead end.
Thumbs up if you like books. Thumbs up if you like books.
Like and subscribe if you like books. I haven't quite finished the section I was reading. Do you think you could just stand here and hold my place for the next time I come back?
I am a bookmark.
You are my bookmark.
Lend me some sugar.
Hi! It'd be funnier if your name is Mark.
True. Bring along the books. Gale.
Yeah, just because we probably aren't going to see everything. This will show you the overview.
So this is the index.
Yeah, this is the index or the table of contents. So you can like skim through, figure out where you need to be.
They say don't judge a book by its cover. Judge it by its stupa.
Stupid joke.
Yeah, it's a stupid joke, but it's a pretty amazing stupa.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. We wanted to mention that this series was filmed in February 2020. A lot has changed in the world and in Myanmar since. Myanmar was the friendliest and most welcoming country we have ever visited.
As we release these videos in this series, it's 2021, and the citizens of Myanmar are risking their lives to protest a military overtake of their government.
We certainly are no authority on what's going on, but we definitely encourage you to keep up to date with what's happening.